What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Miles Morales from Spider-Man. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw the top edge of the eyes. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, draw a curve that goes up. And then we'll bend that out towards the left. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. We're going to go up and then bend that out towards the right. And then from the top of the eye we draw a short angle line going up and out. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the eye. We're going to connect the outside to the inside with a curve, almost like a half circle. Come around towards the bottom. Then we'll bend the eye up on the inside. Let's trace the eyes along the inside. From that inside corner, step in, curve up, and then bend that out. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then we'll trace the bottom of the eyes. Let's go to the outside and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside edge of the eye, we're going to step out, draw a half circle. And down towards the bottom of the chin, round this out, and then pull that up on the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the head. Starting out here, we're going to bump out the side of the head and go up towards the top. Round up the top of the head, go across, and then in on the right side. Now we're going to add the webbing inside the mask. Starting from the very top in the center, draw a straight line coming down. Just going to pull this in between the eyes to right about there. Then from here we're going to angle down and out towards the left and right side. Then we'll move out towards the top of the left eye, curve up and then out. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's go to the outside of the eyes, draw a short angle line going up and out. And then from the bottom of the eyes, come out and then down. Let's go back to the center, draw two short angle lines coming in towards the middle. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from those bottom corners, we're going to curve out and then down towards the bottom of the head. And then underneath each eye, we're going to draw another curve, going out and then down. Now the webs going across are going to be straight, so let's start right in the middle and go down and out towards the left and right side. Let's move up, draw another angle line, going out towards the lines on the side. And then from here we're going to angle down and out on top of the eyes. And then from the top of the head we'll step down, draw another angle line, going out toward the left and right. And then from here we're going to draw a straight angle line going out towards the side. And now we'll add the webs across the bottom. Starting up here, start with a straight line. And then from the ends, we'll angle up and out underneath the eyes. Step down, draw another line going across. Go out towards the sides. And we'll just pull that up towards the outside edge of the eyes. Now we're going to give our character a dynamic action pose. Let's start with the sides of the body. We start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And we'll tuck the left leg underneath the body. Let's start from the hip, curve the thigh going out, and then down towards the knee. And round with the knee, come in, and then up. And then the right leg is going to be stretched out towards the side. So let's start back up here, curve across, and then bend that down towards the heel. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and tuck the bottom leg underneath. We're going to start from the knee, curve the leg coming down, and then up. And I'm going to step back. We're going to see the top of the foot. Come down, round up the toe, go up and out underneath the body. Now we want to show the bottom of the foot on the right side. So we start from the heel, curve up bend the foot going out, round out the toe, come down, and then just pull that in towards the heel. Let's go back up to the top, round out the top of the foot, going in, down, towards the heel. Let's go back to the hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's separate the edge of the boot, halfway between the hip and the top of the foot. Right here we're going to curve in, and back out towards the bottom. Now we're going to move back up and draw the arm stretched out towards the side. Let's start underneath the head on the left, curve the arm going out, and then up towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. Let's start up here, curve up, then the thumb going out. That's going to wrap this back around, rounding out the tip of the thumb, and just pulling that back up toward the top of the curve. Round out the thumb, just pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to point the top finger going straight out towards the side. Let's start from the side of the thumb, start with a straight line going out, round up the tip of the finger, and then come back in behind the thumb. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, round up the finger, and then pull that back in. And then the second finger is going to be folded back in. Let's start on the outside, draw an oval, going around, then in behind the thumb. And it'll straighten out the last finger. Starting at the very top, go straight out, round up the tip of the finger, come in, and then hook that in towards the palm. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going straight out, round up the tip of the finger, come down, and then hook that in. Now you go back to the inside of the wrist, step out, curve the arm coming down, and then bend that in towards the side of the body. Let's line this up on the right, go out, and up, in behind the hand. And now we're going to separate the edge of the glove, halfway between the wrist and the top of the arm. So right here, we curve in and back out, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's separate the outside fingers, starting from the bottom, curve down and up, do the same thing along the top. Let's move to the center of the body and draw a simplified spider symbol. Starting right in the middle, start with a point. From here we're going to angle up and out toward the left and right. And then come down the side with a short line. Let's draw the top set of arms. Going up and out with an angled line. And then from here we're going to curve up and in underneath the head. Let's trace the outside of the arms. Start from the top, just going to taper this out towards the side. And then come down and in. Let's go straight out towards the side. And we'll bend the arms going out and up. And then we'll trace the outside. Again, just tapering this down. And then pulling that back in towards the body. Let's add one more set of arms. Going out and then down. Curve down and in. And then again, we're just going to taper this back up. Pull that in towards the body. Now from the inside, we're just going to curve around and then back in towards the center point. Let's go back up to the top of the body, draw a straight angled line going up and in behind the head. Then going back to the top of the body, come down, just bend that in towards the middle, just underneath the spider. From that center point, we're going to step down, start with a point. I'm just going to go out and then up towards the side of the body. Let's go back up to the top of the body, curve out and up. Now come down towards the bottom of the arm, go up toward the top, leaving a gap on the top of the arm, and go up and out with a straight line. And now we're going to add some webs in behind the spider, starting underneath the chin, Draw a straight line coming down in behind and continue along the bottom. And then underneath the top set of legs, curve out and then down in behind. Continue down towards the bottom. And then we'll draw a series of curves going in behind the spider. Let's start on the left, curve down and then up, go up, curve down in behind the spider, go in between, up on the right, step up, again going in behind the spider, and up on the right. And then from the top of the body we'll step out, and go up and in behind the head. And now at the end we're just going to add a few more details. Let's start with a trim across the legs. We're going to start on the left side, curve out, and then down towards the side, line this up on the right, go out towards the edge of the boot. And we'll add a trim along the bottom of the arm, starting from the outside, come down, and then in, line this up on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Miles Morales from Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.